Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Brains. Hope you all are well. As you already know, we already completed our topic string and we practiced some programs related to string. We already covered 2 or 3 programs in our previous session. In today's session, we have one new program for all of you. Write a program that reads a string and then prints a string that capitalize every other letter in the string. Okay. So what is the meaning of this program and what is the aim of this program? Okay. Suppose that your input is school like this. Okay. So we start from the first one. Okay. And it's capitalize every alternate character like C, then this O, and then L. Like this, we just code. Okay. If you want that this S is capital, okay, then H is capital and this O is capital, that is also possible. That's totally depend on you. Okay. But the aim is that I just want to capitalize every alternate letter in the string. Okay, students. So let's start the program and see how we can code this. Okay, students, as you know the aim of the program and you know how we can work with this, students. So the first step in this program is first we input the string. Okay, so I'll just take one variable str1 and input my string in a simple way. Okay, after that, I'll just store the length of my string in a variable length. Okay, so for calculating the length of my string, we use the len function like this. Okay, I write len and then the string name. My string name is str1. So that's why I write here str1. So students, if you have any doubt in the string functions, so you can check the video of string function from my channel. There is a separate video for that. Okay. So first step is we input the string and the second step is students, we calculate the length of the string. After that, I just print my original string, whatever my string is, I just print it. Okay. Now students, I just take one variable as a empty string here. Okay, normal variable. Why this variable is needed? I'll just explain you. Okay, now we start a for loop, students. So for a in range from 0 to length. Okay, so from 0, the starting point is 0, ending point is length. Okay, and no step value is there. So by default, the step value is 1. Okay. Now, suppose that my example is school. Okay. We just take an example school. So what is the length of this? Okay. What is the length of this? The length of this string is 6. So in the length variable, 6 is there. In the str1 variable, school is there. Okay, so this is the way how we can input and calculate the length. So now my starting value is 0 and length is there. So in the length variable, I store the length. So now in the first iteration of a for loop, a is equal to 0. Okay, once the a is equal to 0, now it's check a modulus 2. That means 0 modulus 2 equal to 0. Yes, it is 0. Okay, so now what happened? I have a variable string that is an empty variable in starting. Okay, in the starting position, the string variable is empty. Okay, but now what happened? String is equal to what? Now it is empty. Okay, and I just want to plus what? str1. str1 is this. Okay, a position. A position is what? That is 0 position. Okay, students. So let's check here. This is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have like this. So 0 position is S here. That means now I add S in this. Now the value is S in the first iteration. Got it? Now second time when my loop executed, now the value of A is 1, students. Okay. Once the value of A is 1, again it check the if loop. 1 modulus 2 equal to 0. That condition is false because 1 modulus 2 is 1. We know that. Okay. So once the condition is false, it moved to the else part. Once it moves to the else part, again I have a variable string and already in my variable s is there. Okay. So s is already there. Now next, in the next part, what happened? So s is already there. So plus str1a. A is 1. So str1, 1 position, that is C. C dot upper. Okay, so I just want to plus what? C dot upper. C dot upper means capital C. I just want to add in this. So now my new value is this. New value of string is. Okay, this is clear. One more iteration we just check. Now A is equal to 2 this time. Again, the loop executed 2 modulus 2 equal to 0. That's clear. No problem. Okay. Condition is true. So string variable is what, students? So string variable is this one. Already in my variable sc is there. Now the value is 2. So the second position is the student h is there in my string. So I just want to add h in this. So str1 2. Okay, second position value, that is h. I just want to add this. Now new value of string variable is sch. This is the way we can execute our program in a way. Okay, so this loop execute for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I explain you one more thing, students, that suppose that some of the student want, ma'am, I don't want this output. I want capital S. So I just want, so this is the game of positions. Okay. If you want, in this, what happened? In this, I'll just take all the odd values in the uppercase. Okay. So here else is there. If you want all the even position of the strings, even position means 0 to 4. If you want that in the capital case, so here you write not equal to sign. That is very simple. Okay. We write not equal to and then execute the program. I will show you this also how it works. Okay. Now first I run this program, student, and see what happened in that case. Okay. Now my string is, let's take one example, SCHOOL. Okay. So original string is this and the string after capitalization is this. C is capital, O is capital, and L is capital in that case. Okay. Let's take that thing also. So here I write that is not equal to 0. So if that part is not equal to 0, then see what happened in that case, a student. Let's check it. Again, I input the string school. Now see, students, this positions S, H, and with capital. So that's totally depend on you, how you can work on your code, how you can make your code creative, okay, or how you can improve your programming skills. So students, this is a simple program for all of you. I hope this program is clear to you now. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section, students, or you can mail us on our particular mail ID. If you like my video, do press the like button, share your views in the comment section, students, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your one subscribe give us motivation to do better for all of you. And press the bell icon to get the updates of my upcoming video. Till then, keep watching, keep studying, students. Thank you.